Hi, now I'll be sharing about how to set multiple document number according to the month and year. So first we have to go to Tools, Maintain Document Number. Then now I want to look for customer invoice. So let me search customer invoice. Then I just click on Edit. For example, here now you can see the format is IV-percentage.5D. So I want to change it IV dash, then month, after that year. So after the IV dash, I have to put in a curly bracket, alliance, month slash year, close curly bracket, enter. Then you are able to see here we have an example of IV dash 03/15000104. And let's say here behind I have 5 digit. I don't want the 5 digit. I just want based on 2 or 3 digit. So here the 5D you can change to 3D. And if I want to set according to the monthly, so here frequency I can change to reset monthly, and system will prompt me a reminder that this document number detail will be deleted. Are you sure you want to proceed? You just click on yes, and then you press on the plus button to add on the year, for example 2015 with the month of March. The next number I want to start with 100, so you can just put in the next number 100. The next following month you just insert accordingly 2015, the month of April. The next number I want to start with 1, then I click on save. Let's say now I want to set 2 different sets of invoice so that I'm able to pick up from the sales invoice. What I have to do is I can go to the more here to copy the document number. Then I click on the new and go to more again to paste the document number. And sales invoice here I want to change it. This is sales invoice 002. And here the format I don't want to start with the IV. I want to change to SIV. Then I just assign the SIV. Press enter. Make sure the sample provided is correct. Then I go to save it. But if you want to set 2 running number or more than 2 or multiple level document number, make sure you have purchased the module. This requires special additional module so-called multiple document number set. After you set the different document number, then you are able to pick up from the sales invoice. Let me show you the example. When I go to the sales invoice, I click on the new. The next number here, when I press on the arrow down, I'm able to see all the document number that I create, and then I can pick up any one that I want. So this is multiple document number. Let's say I want to assign different user using different document number. Then same thing, I go to Tools, Maintain Document Number. And let's say I want to assign this customer invoice to certain user. I can just double click it, then go to More, click on the document number versus user. For example, font I want to set it as default. Lee I also want to set it as default. So both I tick on the default. Let's say admin doesn't have the right to set for this customer invoice format, then I can just untick the has right will do. Once you've done the setting, just save. That's all for today multiple document number. Thank you. Bye.